Hey everyone, and welcome to TECHFRONTER. Today, we're going to be talking about the Apple iMac M3, the most anticipated desktop computer of 2023. We're going to take a look at its specs, performance, and price, and see why it's the best choice for students, professionals, and creative professionals. The iMac M3 is the most advanced desktop computer that Apple has ever made. It features a new M3 chip that is up to 40% faster than the previous generation M2 chip. It also has a new 24-inch 4.5K Retina display with a wider color gamut and higher brightness. Whether you're a student, professional, or creative professional, the iMac M3 is the perfect desktop computer for you. It's fast, powerful, and has a beautiful display. The Apple iMac M3 is the most anticipated desktop computer of 2023. It is expected to be a significant upgrade over the current iMac M2, with a more powerful M3 chip, a longer-lasting battery, and a new design. On the specs, here are the rumored specs the Apple iMac M3 is expected to have. Having the M3 chip with 8 or 10 cores. Having 16GB to 64GB or more of unified memory. Will have 512GB, 1TB, 2TB, or 4TB of SSD storage. Will have 24-inch 4.5K Retina display. Will have 1080p FaceTime HD camera, with 6-speaker sound system, and up to 20 hours of battery life. On the price side, the Apple iMac M3 is expected to be priced starting at $1,299. This is the same price as the current iMac M2. On release date, the Apple iMac M3 is expected to be released in late 2023. The exact release date has not yet been announced, but it is likely that the computer will be released in October or November. Why you should be excited? The Apple iMac M3 is an exciting computer for a number of reasons. First, it is expected to be significantly faster than the current iMac M2. The M3 chip is expected to have a more powerful CPU and GPU, which will make it ideal for demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and programming. Second, the iMac M3 is expected to have a longer-lasting battery. The M2 chip is already known for its excellent battery life, and the M3 chip is expected to be even more efficient. This means that you will be able to use the iMac M3 all day without having to worry about running out of battery. Third, the iMac M3 is rumored to have a new design. The current iMac design has not changed much in recent years, and some people are ready for something new. One possibility is that the iMac M3 will have a more minimalist design with thinner bezels and a sleeker profile. Overall, the Apple iMac M3 is a very exciting computer. It is expected to be faster, more efficient, and have a better design than the current iMac M2. If you are looking for a new all-in-one desktop computer, the iMac M3 is definitely worth waiting for. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tech videos, and don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the iMac M3.